Hi students again. So we are on operations on polynomials. I will solve two questions in this video. One of them is this, multiplying the polynomials. Um, these are binomials, but linear binomials with one degree 1. When we multiply these linear binomials, definitely we will have something quadratic. So we need to just combining like terms and we need to simplify also. One of the questions is this, and another question is almost just not similar to this, but it's a kind of subtraction of the polynomials, and we need to combine like terms as well. So we will come to that question also. Let's solve this question first. So we need to apply here distributive property. As you know from previous video, we did a lot. So let me just delete this. So 3 is distributed this and this. There is another way, just you can use the table, which one is easy for you, because some students they use the table. So you can generate just 4 by 4 table. Okay. So x plus 3 you can write here in a row, and the 2x minus 4 you can write here in a column. Then you can multiply them. Let me use a different color. X times 2x, which is 2x squared. 2x times 3, which is 6x. X times negative 4, which is negative 4x. 3 times negative 4, in this bucket we can write negative 12. And in this red color, everything we can combine. 2x squared, 6x and negative 2x is plus 2x, and then negative 12. Okay. You can do it like this way, or we can distribute it here. X times 2x, which is 2x squared, x times negative 4, which is negative 4x, 3 times 2x, which is 6x, and the 3 times negative 4, which is 12. So definitely it is not the final answer. We need to combine like terms and we need to do more simplification. Sorry. So 6x minus 4x, which is 2x and minus 12. So when we do 101 matching with this expression, ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the number in front of the x squared is 2. B is the number in front of x, which is 2. C is the constant number, as I told you, which is negative 12. We need to consider with this negative sign together. Okay? We write 2, and negative 12 here. That's all for this question. I hope you got the answer. So you can practice it by yourself. You write it down on a paper. You practice by yourself. If you don't get the answer, again, you just watch the video. Again, you try by yourself until unless you will get it correct answer. Okay. Another question is here, which expression is equivalent to this expression? It looks like one of the questions subtracting polynomial from another, but it is given directly, okay? They don't say subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. Subtraction operation is given us ready here. So we don't need to do anything, just we need to subtract and we need to combine like terms here. Since there is nothing in front of this parentheses, which means that if there was a negative thing, then I need to distribute and I need to change everything. But since there is nothing here, I can write the first expression as it is without using the parentheses. 3x to the power of 5 plus 8x cubed. But when I'm writing the second expression in the parentheses, this negative number, negative sign will affect whatever in the parentheses, and they will reverse their sign. So negative 7x squared and the negative 6x cubed is becoming plus 6x cubed. Here is the trick. So when I combine like terms, I need to start with the highest degree. Highest degree is here. Okay, I can just highlight highest degrees. Degrees are here. The highest degree is here, 5 as you see. So 3 to the x power 5 first. Then x cubed, cubic degree, higher degree. So I need to combine 8x cubed and the 6x cubed. So when you combine 8x cubed as you are adding 8 and 6, 8 and 6 is 14. Okay, definitely you don't need to forget 14x cubed expression should be next to them, and negative 7x squared should be aside because there is no x squared term more. So which one will be the correct answer here in this scenario? Yeah, C will be the correct answer. This is straight away solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much. See you in next videos.